guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. If you are not yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, share with friends and family, give it a thumbs up whenever you watch my video. Yes, and a very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all for your support. Yes, so today is another collaboration. Yes, another collaboration. So I'm collaborating with my friend. Her name is Constance. She contacted me on Instagram. Though we are friends for a long time on Instagram, we communicate sometimes, checking after each other. So we never did anything collaboration. So when she talked about collaboration, I was like, of course, even though I don't have chance, but I will create chance for this collaboration. So yes, so we agreed to make eyeshadow look the same color. So it may not be the same lipstick, it may not be the same blending, it may not be the same all of them, but we are going to make our best for the eyeshadow, try our best out for the eyeshadow. Yes, I will leave a link in the description box and also in my screen for you to go and watch our video. Also support her. Our channel is all about the makeup and vlog and skincare, other things, little bit of fashion. So it's all about our channel. So with that being said, for me not to make this video so long, let's just jump to the video. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the eyebrow. So we use the same concealer which I used before for my eyebrow. I'll be using my Elegant concealer. So I'll be blending it with this sponge, with this brush here. So blend. You have to blend it the way you want it, how you want it. So now I'll be going for the eyeshadow color, the color I want. So let me see if it's from Juvia or from Morphe or Revolution, what product it gave. Juvia Place palette. So I'll be blending it with this color, Jamaya. This Jamaya. Just blend it. Just take it. Okay, so I'll be using for this smart box purple color. So this purple color. So I'm taking for this color here. So just blend it. So I will add this dark, little bit of this dark color, black. So we just tap it. So now I'm going for the purple color, this purple which I showed you before. Just to be doing the cut crease. It's long I do cut crease, So now, I'm going to go for cut crease. So let's see how I cut my crease after a long time now. Yeah, it's long because if you are not doing it all the time, it look new to you. So So I will do the same thing the other side. So I'm adding Jovial Place concealer because it's a little bit more lighter, so for me to see what I'm doing. So I'll be taking this color here. So I will use this brush. So I will use the same brush. I'm using the other side, which I will take this yellow one, so to finish everything up. I hope this yellow show up, if not, so I switched from the other Jovial because this one yellow is more bold, a little bit bold. I'm using my mascara, not. So now I'm going for the foundation. First of all, primer, foundation and contour, other thing, because I will forward them. I will not be talking the process. Maybe I will not be talking the process. So yeah, that is it. So So this is the final look of this video, of this collaboration with Constance. Yeah, so it's both of us that are doing it, you know. As friend, long time friend, we decide to make collaboration. It's long time, so we decide to make collaboration. Yeah, I hope she will make it more better. I trust her because she's super. She's super for that. So please support her. You know, I will leave her link in the description box, and also I will display it in my screen so that you can follow her and support her. So yeah, I will leave also the one we did as collaboration. I will also drop it in the description box for you to watch our video, watch our collaboration, this collaboration, and also continue to follow her. So that is it for today's video. See you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and stay blessed. Love you all. Bye.